Hello friends, welcome to Hrishi Computer Education. In this presentation, I will be guiding you about the basic computer course MS-CIT, which stands for Maharashtra State Certificate in Information Technology. MS-CIT is an information technology literacy course started by Maharashtra Knowledge Corporation Limited (MKCL) in the year 2002. It has made more than 1 crore learners IT literate till date. It is the most popular IT literacy course in Maharashtra. So, why MS-CIT? MS-CIT is a course designed for all who have a keen desire to learn information technology. Today, in this digitalized world, it has become necessary for almost every individual to at least have a basic knowledge of computer. The course content is designed in such a way that all individuals, irrespective of their age, can learn as it is easy and joyful. Students, teachers, employees, businessmen, housewives, senior citizens, and almost all category of people can do this course. MS-CIT course will cover following modules that are Computer Basics, Operating System that is Windows 10. You will be also learning 21st century life skill, citizenship skill, job skill, study skill. You will be learning word processing through Microsoft Word, spreadsheets through Microsoft Excel, presentation graphics through Microsoft PowerPoint, personal information manager via Microsoft Outlook. You will be also able to give typing test. Computer ethics, privacy and security will be taught additionally, and you will be also provided with the study material for MS-CIT course. MS-CIT course comprises of reading and understanding a highly illustrated book, e-learning based self-learning sessions through MKCL's e-learning revolution for all, which is called as ERA, providing hands-on practice sessions, learning facilitation by certified professionals, and after completing this course, the learners will emerge as confident and versatile users in IT. Job opportunities after doing MS-CIT. You can be a back-end office executive, you can be a data entry operator, you can run your own cyber cafe, you can even work in various computer-related organizations as supporting staff. Below are some of the roles and responsibilities which you need to perform. Assist and support administrative staff in the day-to-day operations. Assist and coordinate with sales and marketing teams. Support sales staff in handling and documenting customer accounts. Assist inventory controlling staff in maintaining inventory records. Assist front office staff in maintaining the office premises clean and neat. Assist front office in preparing, scheduling, and organizing meetings, events, and appointments. Let's discuss the workplace. Backend office workspace, and you can be a freelancer where you can perform MS Word, MS Excel, and MS PowerPoint related tasks.